I think you ran the red. Oh, you definitely ran the red, Mr. Dump Truck. Oh, look, why are you stopping? Let's go. La 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 la. And cut off and cut off and cut off and yep. Jerry, look, you piece of white trash. I think that was an exit dive. Take a lane, dum-dum. And exit dive, yeah. That was a cutoff. That was a running the right on red. Jesus. Asshole. Toyo turd. Zoom. Relay runner. Hi, hello, yield, and whatever else. Asshole. Cut off. Hi, get off my ass. Hi, get off my fucking ass. But yeah, you can get off my ass now, thank you. Kindly fuck off, kindly don't come back. Thank you. Uh-huh. 2SLR56, thank you. Oh, hi, how you doing? Yep. Hello. Oh, there he goes again. That was a cutoff too, you know. Genesis and cheapskates are really wanting a Mercedes. Yep. Crotch rocket creep. $195 is such fun. Uh-oh, crotch rocket time. You know what happens here, right? 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 Yeah. Yep. Oh God, here we go. Bike-a-douche, bike-a-douche. In, yeah. And got off. Almost done. Thank you. Thank you. Jesus Christ. So you cut me off for no fucking reason. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Did we expect that? Not for a second. There he goes. Yeah. Wake up, Toyotard. Don't. No, 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 no. Toyotard. Hey, can you stay in your lane? Thank you. Down the phone. I gotta cut off. Yeah. You didn't stop at that stop sign. Or that one. You go direct to that plane. How nice of you. Don't run the red, don't run the red, don't run the red. You ran the red. Because you're a Toyota. Hey, check out this awesome parking job, huh? Ran the red. Oops, maggot.